In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 550 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 5. We know that 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract, we get a 0. As 0 is less than 5, so we will bring down this number 5 here. See that this is the number 5. So we will remove this 0. And again we know that 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract, we get a 0. Again 0 is less than 5. So we will bring down this number 0 here. But see that this is the number 0. So again we remove this 0. And we know that 5 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have obtained the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 550 divided by 5 is equal to 110, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.